Hello, Western Civ 104. I just want to welcome you all to this upcoming semester. I do have a little mini bio and all that linked on the front of the Canvas page, but I like to be a little more personable, and I just want you all to know that I try to be as accessible as possible. What I want to encourage you from the get-go is to write to me directly to Canvas. And then if you need more to communicate with me, I have that also in the links, but we can work out some other arrangement. Excuse me. But I prefer Canvas as opposed to email because Canvas shows me not just your name, but which class you're in, because I have 3 classes. And then it also gives me some indicators if I've skipped, if I missed a message. So that doesn't happen on my email, and at times I've unfortunately not noticed that somebody wrote to me, and I don't want anybody to go through that. So yeah, so I just wanted to say that. And just to let you know, in regards to the textbook, I've been having a problem for last few semesters of actually getting textbooks from textbook companies. It's a long, ridiculous story, but I'm not sure right now how many textbooks are at the Pirates bookstore. If you can't get any, just go online and find any textbook of the first edition that you can find exactly as on the syllabus. So, the only problem you might have, you might get an edition where it doesn't 100% line up with the syllabus. Most of the students that I have had over these past few semesters find where they need to go, and they've had relatively little problems. If you do, please contact me right away, and we'll figure this out. But so far, I haven't really had a problem with that. So that's the situation with the textbook. And what else did I want to say? Okay. Basically, keep in mind that each week we're going to have a very similar routine. And I'll go over this again for you. But we're going to have discussions. You're going to take notes on all the videos that I have, that I have you watch. And then you're going to have a Sunday paper. And later on, I will give you lots of clarity about what I expect out of the papers. These are not research papers. These are mainly to help you kind of go over the material that we've covered in the class each week, okay? So you will find out that there's no surprises in this class. I try to make sure that if you work hard, you will find the rewards. Well, you will get rewarded with a good grade, but also with learning a lot. And I try to make sure that that's not something that's too difficult for you if you have the drive to do well in this class. So, we will work through this together, especially getting for the first week. People are very nervous. They don't know what to expect. And so, again, I want to encourage you to always contact me. That's important. As you see, I've been traveling. I am in Hong Kong right now. It is very hot and humid. I think that I've never been this hot. I have never been this hot and humid at the same time. And it's pretty brutal. I have been quite a bit in Thailand, and I was 2 months in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Cambodia was the hottest I've ever been. Look, I'm born and raised in the Central Valley, so I do understand heat, okay? But Cambodia was rough, and I got through it. But then I left Thailand and started having lots of rain, and I came here and I was just hit with this like humidity like nobody's business. Now, I heard that there was a typhoon that hit Taiwan, and that this might have to be the reason why it's so humid. I don't know. But I'm ready for it to end, for sure. Now, you may also have been paying attention to the political dramas in Hong Kong. And it's intense out here. I'm not quite sure how long I'm going to be here, but I don't know. I was in Thailand, and just before I left, 6 bombs went off in Bangkok. And then there was all this drama here in Hong Kong, which, if you don't know, just look it up. You'll see on Google. And then my country had 3 mass shootings, and I was saying to myself, where does one go in this world, right? And it can be a little overwhelming sometimes. But at the same time, the Thai have 2 expressions that I really love. Mai Penrai, no worries, and Jai Yen Yen, calm your heart. And try to keep in a positive attitude and live in the now. So I'm careful. I'm watching out where I'm going here in Hong Kong, and if I need to leave very fast, I will. I might be going to Canada next. In any case, the real important part of why I'm bringing this up to you is that I am on the go at times, but I prioritize my classes. I'm not on vacation. I have been a digital nomad, as they call it. So I prioritize everything around my classes. And I've been trying to really make sure that all my students are really feeling that and are aware, and they see the results. I grade as quick as possible. I respond to the questions as quick as possible. And then, if you have any questions about anything, even, indirectly a part of the class, I'm more than happy to share. It's been a privilege for me to be able to do this travel this year. First time in my life to do that. And as of August, it'll be my full year anniversary. Well, it is August, but like the 17th. Yeah, August 17th, I think. And so, in any case, I like to share as much information with you as possible on that. We're learning Western civilization and the foundation, and this is so important, so critical. I am a believer in history being a fundamentally, such a major important thing for everyone to have in their life. Okay? We all need love, and you need history. You really do need it. You need it if you actually want to engage with the world. If you want to kind of escape or withdraw, if you just want to focus on yourself and your family and you don't want to pay attention to the outside world, I guess you don't need it, right? But if you're going to take the time to have an opinion about politics and your thoughts about the world, and then you're going to vote and you're going to have some argument with somebody and all of that, you might as well spend the time, right, to actually understand the world and everything that's happened to help inform us better in the way that we are going to, and what we're going to be arguing about and the positions that we're going to take. So I cannot stress this enough. I am a preacher of the value of history, okay? And I'm hoping that I can convince you of that in this class. So I'm going to leave it there. We will be in touch. Class is starting very soon at the end of this month. And like I was telling you, I'm available as of now if you need anything. But just again, real quick, it is a 14-hour difference. It is, what time is it here? It is 8:46 for me, and it's 5:46 a.m. for you. So just keep that in mind, okay? In any case, we'll be in touch.